We'll be discussing a particular feature in Java which was introduced in from Java 1.8 in 8.1 onwards. So within java.lang.math package there is a function called max which basically compares two integer values or two double values or two long values, something it just compares two data types. So the data types can be integer, data types can be long, double, and while returning on these two data types it returns the maximum out of these. That's what math.max does. So if the program is based on two integers, you can easily achieve it by using ternary operator. But if there are several variables that is present in your program, and out of it you have to find the maximum out of those two all those numbers, you can use this math.max function. But this particular function has a drawback. So the thing is that it works on only two datas, that is either two int or maybe two double or two long. So if there are four values which is being given by the user, then we need to run several test cases to find the maximum out of those four numbers. So let me quickly demonstrate this using online GDB compiler. And in this particular video of online GDB compiler, I will be showing you a shorthand method of writing system.out.println. Instead of writing that whole of the line, you can achieve that particular line all at one go. And how you can do that using online GDB compiler, that is what I will be showing you. For this particular tutorial, let me open up Google Chrome and allow me to quickly demonstrate what I'm trying to say. So I will be writing online GDB compiler. So I will be saying online GDB compiler. Fine. Now I will be quickly change the language from C to Java. Now let's first of all work around with ternary operator. How you can find the maximum of two number using ternary operator. So we will be having int 1 and then we will be having int 2. These are the two numbers. So println, you need to select the snippet section. Whenever the suggestions is coming one, you need to see println the snippet one. Sometimes it also happens that println there is from the auto suggestion, it also shows that auto complete the line using the local. You need to select that local one. You need to select the println out of the snippet suggestion which it is being showing. Now press enter. Voila, your whole system.out.println is being populated by the compiler at one go in this particular GDB compiler. So I will be asking the user, please enter first number, and after that I will be asking the user to enter the second number. For that reason I need a scanner class. So I will be saying that scanner sc equals to new scanner, and it will be taking the value from system.in. Fine. So this is something like 1 equal to sc.nextInt. Fine. And there will be another line. So println, see there is a local. You don't need to select this local one. You need to select this particular snippet section. You can alternatively select this one also, print. So if you are selecting print snippet, that means your value will be taken from the line where from that particular line, and it won't be accepting the value from the console from the next line. So to select this section, print, and this will be message. So please enter second number. Fine. So in this particular line it will be accepting the second number, and there also let me make some changes from ln to print. Now let's accept the user for like 2 equals to sc.nextInt. Fine. Now what we will be doing is that we will be again writing println, maybe print snippet, the maximum of the two numbers is, and it will be plus, and this particular ternary operator line, it will be a single piece of snippet, and whatever I am writing within these braces, these two curly braces, it is not a particular, not a particular case scenario. Whole of the thing should be treated as a single code snippet. For that reason I am enclosing this code snippet within these double braces. So a is greater than b, and then the ternary operator a:b. Fine. So now let's run the program and see what happens. Okay, so scanner is not being found because scanner, this particular class is present within util package. I tend to forget to include the header. The header or the header. The header files every now and then. But then again, I need okay. So there is some problem again. The maximum of the two number is a greater than b, a equal to, okay, so there is no a b, there is 1 2, fine. So while writing the code, I was 1 greater than 2, it will be 1, or if it is not 1, then it will be 2, fine. Now let's run this piece of code and see what happens. There is still some error. Okay, so this one will be okay, this one will be a question mark. Then let's run the program one more time and let's see what happens. Wow, it's pretty hectic. Let me give it 12, and let me give 33. The maximum of the two numbers is 33. Fine, let's run the program one more time. This time I will be giving a smaller value for the first number, maybe 2. And the maximum number will be 2 and maybe 21. So 21 is the maximum. Let me make the first number 1. Let me give a first number as the greater one. I will be giving 98 and the second number maybe 9. Let's press enter. The maximum of the two number is 98. Now let's quickly change this program, make some changes. We'll be having two more variables. So 1 2 3 and then 4. We'll be having this 4 variable and we'll be storing the maximum out of this 4 number within the answer. So the user will be prompted for some more, 2 more inputs. So control V and there will be another control V. And we'll be checking from first, second, this will be third, and then this will be fourth. Fine. So this will be 1 2, this will be 3, and subsequently the last one will be 4. And the thing is that there is a particular, let me show you how, what is the drawback of this particular thing is that of Math.max. So answer equals to Math.max, which is present within java.lang package. So java.lang package is the default package which gets imported with your particular Java program. But the thing is that it doesn't work on 4 at one go. 1 2. Then if you cannot write 3 or 4, it works on 2 data types, either 2 integer or 2 long. So again you need to compare, like answer equals to again Math.max. So math is a class. So since math is a class, it will be starting with a capital letter, and max is a function of the math class. So max will be in small hand letter. So we'll be writing answer, and we'll be comparing it with so 1 2, there was 3, and then again we have to compare for. So again we have to compare for answer equal to Math.max, and we will be selecting this time answer and then 4. So this is how math function works, and the result will be not these two number, it will be out of 3 numbers. So the answer is answer, and this will be not 2 but this will be out of these 4 numbers. Now let's run the program and see what happens. Let's run and see if we are able to achieve. So there is some problem. Fourth, so there is nothing such as 4, there is 4. Fine. Now let's run the program. There was a small typing mistake. So let me give first number maybe 12, the second number maybe 33, the third number maybe the largest one 98, and the fourth number maybe 4. Let's see what happens. The maximum of the phone number is 98. Let's rerun the program one more time, and this time we will be giving the greater number in the second position. So we will be giving 12, and then we will be giving 98, and then we will be giving 33, and let's give 97, and let's see what happens this time. The maximum of the phone number is 98. So in this particular program I have demonstrated two of the things. One is we have the ternary operator, which I have shown earlier, that how ternary operator works on 2 variable, and based on the test cases, which one of the is greater than, which one is the greater, you can just true or false. So ternary operator works something like this. If I write it in here, so it works on condition, and if the condition is true or if the condition is false. So if the condition evaluates true, then this true portion would be evaluated, and if the condition evaluates to false, then this false portion would get evaluated. That's how ternary operator works. Now the thing is that we are we are we are developing this program using we are inbuilt function Math.max, and this Math.max is present within the java.lang package. But the drawback of this particular function is that you cannot work on 4 variable at one go. You have to make this several the test scenarios. You have to compare it to get the 4 out of those phone number. Or you can also use, there can be another instance like you can have 5 variables also. That way you can work your own way. So that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you have liked it and found it intuitive. If you like it, do give some comment, throw some like, and let me know. Basically likes and comments are to boost my motivation to make more of such videos in the future. So that's all for this video, and happy coding, guys. Bye bye. So where is my stopper for the screen recorder? Here is the screen recorder. Let me stop this record.